Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap faces with anyone. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open your browser and type remaker.ai into the search bar. Once you land on the website, tap on Swap Face. Here, you can swap faces easily. In the first slot, upload the original photo. In the second slot, upload the photo of the person you want to swap faces with. Then, tap on Swap Faces. It will take a little time to process, and after that, you can download the final image. However, I made a mistake by uploading low-quality pictures, which didn't give a great output. Make sure you use high-quality images to get the best results. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.